Assalamualaikum. Hello, welcome back on my personal YouTube channel. Well, I'm Miss Fatima and I'm gonna be your English teacher. Well, let's get started our lesson today. Hi kids, good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
I can hear your voice.
Miss.
That's great, yeah. Okay, so how are you doing today? Apa kabar hari ini?
I'm pretty good.
That's good.
I'm pretty good.
I'm pretty good. Okay, so both of you are pretty good. Okay, well, before we begin our lesson, as usual, we should pray first, okay? Now, pray please. Yes, well, our lesson today, we're going to learn about telling your name, okay? So, for example,
Oh, Dafa belum datang.
oh, Dafa is absent today because he's sick. Yeah? Okay. Well, today we're going to learn about telling your name. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang menyebutkan nama ya. Nama, your name. Okay? For example, what is your name? Siapa namamu? Okay? Jawabannya adalah my name is. Okay? My name. After telling your name, so you also have to say your age. So if I ask you, how old are you? Berapa umurmu? You said I'm yes. I'm 9 years old.
I'm 9 years old.
Okay. How old are you? How old are you? Umurnya berapa? Okay, say I'm 10 years old. Coba.
I'm
10. 10.
I'm 10.
No. 10.
10.
Yes. I'm 10 years old.
I'm 10 years old.
Okay, that's great, yeah? Okay. And after that, after telling your name, telling your age, don't forget, you should say, I'm a student. I'm a student. Saya adalah seorang pelajar, okay? Now repeat after me. I'm a student. I'm a student. I'm a student. Okay. I'm a student. Okay. So what class are you? Kelas berapa? Kelas 4. And where is your school? Sekolahnya di mana? Nurul Fikri. Okay. I study at Nurul Fikri. Coba. I study at
Nurul Fikri.
I study at. I study at Nurul Fikri. Class 4A. Okay. I study at. I repeat again. From Razka. I study at. Please speak loudly. Please speaknya kerasin dikit.
I study at
Nurul Fikri. Class 4B.
Class 4B.
Okay, now lengkap. I study at Nurul Fikri. Class
4B.
Okay, repeat again. I study at
Nurul Fikri.
Class 4B.
4B.
Okay, repeat again. I study at Nurul Fikri. Class 4B. Coba.
I study at
Nurul Fikri. Class 4B. Okay, repeat again.
I
study at Nurul Fikri. Class 4B. That's good. Now, Fayyadh, please say, I study at. I study. I study. I study at. I study at.
Nurul Fikri class 4E.
A. Okay, ulang. I study at Nurul Fikri,
class
class
4A.
4A. A. Okay. I study at
I study at Nurul Fikri class 4A.
A.
A.
A. Ulang lagi. I study
I
at
study at
Nurul Fikri
class 4A.
A. Okay, that's great, yeah. Okay. Okay, now I'm with my students. Razka. Hello, Razka.
Hello.
How are you doing today? I'm pretty good. Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
I'm
great, coba. I'm great.
I'm great.
Okay, that's good. Repeat after me. Ah, answer my arms.
Answer my arms.
Good. Ah, answer my arms.
Answer my arms.
Ah, answer my arms.
Answer my arms.
They're causing me alarm.
They're causing me alarm.
Okay, that's great. Now, both of you, yeah, Fayyadh and also Razka, sings together. Okay, letter A. Ah, hello. 1, 2, 3. Ah, Hey, Razka, you sing along with us, okay? 1, 2, 3. Your hand. Answer my arms. Answer my arms. They're causing me alarm. Repeat again.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball.
Hand ya. Your hand. Ya. Okay, your hand dulu. Your hand. Now, okay. One. Your hand, posisinya dulu, posisinya. Oke. Ikut. Ya. Terus ini seolah semut ya. Semutnya jalan-jalan di tangannya, oke? Oke. Now, 1, 2, 1. Oke. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Answer my arms. Answer my arms. Answer my arms. They're causing me alarm.
Okay, great. Repeat again. Letter A. A.
Answer my arms.
Answer my arms.
Answer my arms. They're causing me alarm.
Okay. Now please repeat after me. Bring.
Bring.
Bat.
Bat.
Ball.
Ball.
B.
Bring.
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 Bat.
Bat.
Ball.
Ball.
Okay. Now repeat after me. Sing this letter B song. Yeah.
This song.
This letter B sound. Okay. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Okay.
Bring your bat. Bring your ball.
Okay. Now repeat after me. Bring your bat
Bring your bat.
and bring your ball.
And bring your ball.
B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Okay, show the hand. Your bat and bring your ball. B. Gitu ya. Okay. Now repeat after me. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B.
Bring your bat and bring your ball.
To the park and play. Nah, coba Fayyadh, to the park
To the park
and play. Okay. To the park and play. Coba.
To the park and play.
To the park
To the park
and play.
and play.
Okay. Now repeat again ya. From B. Letter B. Kalau Miss bilang letter B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Gitu ya. Don't forget tangannya mukul, seolah mukul ball ya. Oke. Bat itu artinya pemukul, ball ada bola ya. Jadi bring your bat and bring your ball artinya bawa bola, bawa pemukul dan bawa bolamu ya. Oke. Oke, now Repeat. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we are listening. We are singing together. Okay, we're gonna sing together about the letter sounds of A and B. Okay, Razka. 1, 2, 3. Letter A.
Ansamayam,
Ansamayams.
Ansamayam,
They're causing me alarm. Okay, letter B. Bring your bat
and bring your ball.
B. B.
Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park and play.
Okay, repeat again from letter A. Tangannya begini. Answer my arms.
Answer my arms, the causing me alarm.
Okay, letter B.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park and play.
Okay, that's great. Now you know. Now you know about the ABC sound song ya. Okay. Begini ya. Okay. Okay, Fayyadh, please. Now you sing about the sounds of letter A.
Ansamayam, ansamayam.
They're causing me alarm. Coba. They're causing me alarm. Okay, that's great. Now letter B.
Bring your bat,
Bring your bat and bring your ball. No. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park and play. Okay, now.
Bring your bat and bring your ball.
Your ball.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball
to the park and play. Okay, repeat again. Sama-sama dengan Miss ya. Together with Miss. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park and play. Now repeat after me. Bring. B. B for b. Bring. Ball. Bring. Bat. Bring your bat.
Bring your bat
And bring your ball.
and bring your ball.
Bring your bat
Bring your bat
and bring your ball to the park.
to the park
To
and
the
play.
to the park.
To the park and play.
Okay. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Coba.
Bring your bat and bring your ball.
Okay.
Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park and play.
Okay, that's good. Dihafalin di rumah ya. Okay.
Hello, good morning. How are you doing? Hi, good morning. I'm great, thanks. And you? I'm very good, thanks. I'm Razka. What is your name? My name is Fayyadh. Nice to meet you, Razka. How old are you? Nice to meet you too. I'm
9 years
9
old.
years old. And you? I'm 10 years old. Are you a student?
Are you a student?
Are you a student? Yes, I stud.
Yes, I
Yes.
study at.
I study at Nurul Fikri kelas 4. Kelas 4.
Ulang. Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
I study
at Nurul Fikri kelas 4.
A. Class 4A.
Class 4A. Oh, sorry.
Oh, same here.
Oh, same here. I study at Nurul Fikri class 4. Great.
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 Well,
Razka, nice
to talk. Nice to talk to you.
to you.
Nice to talk 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 to you. I
have to go to the class now. I have to go to the class now.
Okay, Fayyadh,
Nice to talk to you too.
Nice to talk to you too. See you later. See you again, Razka. Bye. Bye.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, that's great. Both of you are really great and smart student. I like it. Thank you so much. 2, 3.
Bring
Your hand from letter A. Your hand. Semutnya ya.
An semayang. An semayang. An semayang.
They're causing me alarm. Ulang. Arms ya. There answer my arms. Coba.
An semayang. An semayang. An semayang. They're causing me alarm.
They're causing me alarm. They're causing me alarm. That's good. Now letter B.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball
to the park.
and play.
Okay, that's great. Yeah. Don't forget memorize at home, okay? And sing along with your brother, okay? Well, that's all our lesson today. And I also would like to say Happy Eid al-Adha Mubarak. May Allah always grant all your wishes and accept your sacrifice. I wish happiness for you and your family. Happy Eid Mubarak.
Allahu Akbar walillahil hamd. Allah